The unit number 1, numbers our friends. This is the Oxford syllabus of class 6. Question number 1. Write the place value of underlined digit. Here some numbers are given. The first number is 4,57,832. We have to find the place value of 8. So write first 8 and then 2 zeros, 1, 2. 2 0 after 8, that means 800. 800 is the place value of this 8. Now in this second number 85,93,061, we have to find the place value of underlined digit 6. So write first 6 and then write this 1 0. That is 60. 60 is the place value of this 6, or this 6 is in the place 10th place of in this number, so the place value of 6 is 60. Now in this number 4,32,75,945, we have to find the place value of digit 3. So write first 3 and then 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So write 6 zeros after 3 and we get 30 lakh. 30 lakh is the place value of these 3. Now in this fourth number 54,985, we have to find place value of 4. So write 4 and then after 4 write 3 zeros, 1 2 3. 3 zeros, we get 4,000. 4,000 is the place value of this 4, or this 4 is in the place 1000 place in this number, so the place value of 4 is 4,000. Now in the fifth number 1,92,837, we have to find the place value of 9. So to find the place value, write first 9 and then 1 2 3 and 4. 4 zeros after 9, so we get 90,000. 90,000 is the place value of this 9. Then in this number 48,79,614, we have to find the place value of 9 and write first 9 as it is and write 1 2 3 0 after 9, so 9,000 is the place value of this 9. In this number 3,54,78,463, we have to find the place value of underlined digit 5. Write that is write first 5 and then write the zeros. How many times? To find this, count the digits after 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So write 6 zeros after 5 and we get 50 lakh is the place value of this 5. Now in this number 6,57,298, to find the place value of this 8. 8 is in unit place, therefore the place value of this 8 is only 8. These two examples are for the revision. You can find the place value of this 6 and place value of this 5 in this number and write the answers in comments. And you always remember that the place value of 0 is 0, always 0. If 0 is present in any place in the number, the place value of 0 is 0. Thank you.